probably seen that we did some new releases for our roof racks for the Ranger 1500 XD. Well, now we have an all new lighting option. This is the Rigid Connect. It's a 360 RGB, really nice, clean light bar. So this is an RGB light bar. As you can see, you're gonna have red, blue, green, and a very bright white. It mounts to our lower roof rack, but as you can see on this 1500, we have our lower rack and we have our upper rack. With our upper rack, you're gonna get another 360 package. I really like how this Rigid looks on the front of this machine. So if you wanna throw Rigid up on top of your 1500, check us out, thumperfab.com. Get on the website, find a dealer near you. I'll see you on the trails.